Hi guys, welcome to the new video. I hope you all are good. And in this video, I've covered an on-campus event happening for January intake students. And by the way, this was the last day of Welcome Week. So there are lots of things other than this day. So today we got some freebies, we got free Domino's slice, we got Domino's offers. And there were some games to play, and there were society exhibition where you can talk to the people and get to know about the societies. And if you are interested, you can join that society too. There were a lot of freebies, and at the end of the video, I've also given the tour of Guild Shop where you can get the merchandise of University of Liverpool. I hope I can share the experience on what to expect when you arrive here in January intake. I've also made other videos on September intake and in general about University of Liverpool and guiding students about the life in the UK. Make sure you check out the channel. And before starting the video, I would like to recommend if you haven't booked your accommodation till now, please do so because if you book your accommodations near the intake, it is going to be very hard and you might need to pay more for the accommodations that are far from your university. I would recommend using Amber, which is a verified platform. You get thousands of properties. You can see how far it is from the university. You can see the reviews from the past students. And if you are not satisfied with the photos, you can reach out to Amber team. They'll help you get a live tour or videos of your accommodation. And I have personally used Amber from the last 3 years. So the link is in the description box below. Make sure you go to the website and register your interest, and the Amber team will be ready to help you. And now let's start the video without wasting any time.